What's up, guys? Wanted to come to you today to talk about doing a half lap joint to make some X's for X table base, and I'm going to show you how I do it on a Dewalt miter saw. So let's get to it. All right, before we get to the Dewalt miter saw, basically I'm just going to show you what we got here. So basically, we come here and we lay out where we want to cut at and how deep we want to cut on both sides. So this way we know how far down we're going and how much more we need to go when we're dialing in our miter saw. All right, we're here at the Dewalt DWS780 12-inch sliding compound miter saw, and the feature I want to show you today is how to do a half lap. So basically, the Dewalt miter saw has a stop right here, and then it has a lever here. So basically, this lever is normally up when you're cutting straight through, but whenever you want to use it to do this half lap joint, you put a stop there and you adjust this piece down to the depth you need by unloosening this and turning this knob, then resetting it. And that's going to allow you to stay right here and it can't go down any further. So that is how you use the miter saw to do the half lap joint. All right, another thing we want to talk about when doing your half lap joint is that if your workpiece is up against your fence, the back half of your workpiece, the sliding portion of it is not going to be an even cut all the way back. So what you do is you take some sacrificial fences and push out your fence further so that your workpiece is out further. And when this guy slides back, the lowest point of this blade still clears the back edge of your workpiece. So basically, you just want to get some pieces of material that are the same thickness on both sides and just keep on stepping it out until you get it to where you need it so it'll clear your entire workpiece. All right, now that we have our slots cut in here, basically come in here with a rubber mallet, maul, whatever you got, maybe even a little block here, get you started, and start breaking out these pieces. So you get the picture on that. And then we'll come back and clean all this up. All right, so now we have gotten this area cleared out for a half lap. And basically the way I did it was I continued to use the miter saw to basically slide the piece side to side and smooth out the bottom. But you also can use a router with a guide bearing on it to do the same thing, or our table saw with a dado stack. But now that we have this guy all hogged out, we can now finish our joint by putting it together. And we want it to be a nice snug fit, like so. You don't want it too tight where it's putting pressure on it. It could crack it later, but you want it snug enough to where you got good seams here and here. So this is it for this leg of the table, and this is it for the video. So thanks, guys. Come again. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and I appreciate it. Thanks.